doctor doesn't throw it away. And when it heals, the place that was broken becomes the strongest part. Tonight I came to testify.
God did that in my spirit.
Coming back stronger after the break.
I remember when I fell, heard my own life crack. Shame like an x-ray showed the faith I didn't have. Carried by my past, I was crippled by my pain. Thought my purpose snapped in pieces, I'd never walk in hope again.
In the middle of the fracture, you were holding every piece. You wrapped me in your mercy, you began a hidden healing in me. I was shattered,
I was shaken,
I was shaken.
thought my story
was through.
but when you healed my broken place,
When you healed my broken places,
I came back stronger,
I came back stronger.
stronger in you. Where I was fractured, you're my anchor. Now my weakness
Is stronger.
than when you mend my broken spirit.
When you mend my broken spirit,
I rise up stronger,
I rise up stronger.
stronger in you. Stronger in you. In the silence of the cast, you held my restless soul. You kept me still while you were making every broken place whole. I didn't see the new bones forming, I only felt the ache. But you were building up the very spot that once could only break. Now I'm standing in the places I once thought were mine. Every scar is now a sermon of how you turned my loss to strength.
I was shattered,
I was shattered,
I was shaking.
thought my story
was through.
but when you healed my broken places,
When you healed my broken places,
I came back stronger,
came back stronger.
stronger. Oh, stronger, stronger in you. I pressed on every side, but I'm not crying. Went back stronger after the break.
Crashed in my mind, but not in despair.
I'm coming back stronger.
After the break,
They try to knock me down, but I'm not abandoned.
coming back stronger. After the break,
Struck down, struck down. I'm coming back stronger. Not just strong, not just strong. I'm still here, triumphing. Would try to kill me, only build me. The spot that was broken is the strongest part now. I thought it was the end, but it was the beginning of my healing. I'm coming back stronger, stronger after the break. He's making me stronger. From ashes to beauty, stronger after the break. strongest part of me is where you healed me.
Stronger after your bed.
I was broken, but in Jesus' name I'm stronger after the break.